Hi, I wasn't sure if I was recording, so let's get the weekly video recap. Hope you guys are doing well. I certainly enjoyed reading your post this week about your responses to the readings and the way that you saw the secondary readings interplay with the primary readings. It's really interesting to read your insights and to read your responses to each other's insights as well. So thank you for keeping up with that stuff. And I think my computer is freezing up. Okay, here we go. Let's talk about this upcoming week. So as you know, yesterday your initial draft, which is another way of referring to the first draft of Essay 1, was due. And I will be responding to those tonight. What you guys need to do today, your only job was to read the overview of Module 3, which will be right here. And then tomorrow you need to post your reviews to the, of your peer reviews of other people's Essay 1 rough draft. And then Thursday you have a discussion post due about considering feedback. So after you've gotten this, you'll respond. And then Friday, your final draft is due. So tonight, my goal tonight is to respond to all of the rough drafts. And then tomorrow, I'll respond to all of the peer reviews once they're done or as they're getting done. Then that takes us through Friday. And then let's look a little bit next week. You'll want to read the overview of Unit 2 on Monday. And then on Monday, you will also read the Module 4 activities link. And then Tuesday, you have a definition post due. Then you have an outline due on the 18th. So let's see, 14, 15, 16. So that's Thursday. And then Friday, you have a rough draft of Essay 2. So it all happens really quickly. I will say Essay 2 is shorter. All right, so that's kind of the least involved project of our 3. If you guys have questions, let me know. Like I said, I'm going to be responding to your rough drafts tonight. That's my goal. So shoot me any questions. I did see Michelle posted in one of our class discussion threads, and you guys are always welcome to do that as well. All right, have a good night.